Hey, welcome back to my channel. I have another DIY wall art inspired project for you guys. Here's a list of what you all will need to complete. First, you want to unscrew the hoop and sit the hoop aside that has the screw with it and use the one that doesn't. Next, you'll start placing the clothespins around the hoop until you've got them all completed. Size up, which I believe was the 8-inch embroidery hoop, and flip this, the one that you already have completed, flipped it over, and begin to put the E6000 glue on the bottom of the clothespins. Now you want to kind of keep this consistent with your project because you don't want to mess around on the next layer and put it on the front instead of the back. Once you have that completed, then go ahead and place the next size hoop in place and press down firmly just to make sure that it stays. I believe I allowed this to dry for about 15 minutes after doing this step. Once that 15 minutes was up, I then started to place more clothespins within the spaces. So at this point, you want to layer the next layer with another round of clothespin in between the two clothespins from the first layer. Once that step is complete, you'll then start to place E6000 on the next clothespin that you just placed on the back of the item. Then I took the 12-inch embroidery hoop and placed that on the back of that where I just put the E6000. And make sure to press down. Once that dried, I began to take two clothespins and fill it in the spaces on that next level.
Just say that you won't go and break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got, the one I've got. Don't break my heart, don't break my heart, don't break my heart, don't break my heart. Instead of keeping it all inside, so hard with you I don't know why.
Once you have all the clothespins in place, it is time to paint. I took a standard primer and painted it white, so that way once I use my metallic paint, it'll just adhere easily to the wall art, the clothespin.
Just say that you won't go and break my heart, break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got, the one I've got, don't break my heart.
I don't know what was going on with the wind this day, but it was unbelievable. I had to fight with the wind and the camera.
Don't break my heart.
Let's try this again. So once you painted the front, you want to flip it over after the front has dried for about 10 minutes and paint the back of it also. Dried from the front and the back. Then next is time to place your metallic paint, and I used a Rust-Oleum satin nipple finish.
Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart.
And here's the finished product, guys. It looks absolutely amazing. Shout out to Trisha J for the inspiration. Hope you guys really enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also check out my last video. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.
First time I saw